Good evening, everyone. My name is Christian Medina, and as a hotel sales manager, I will be talking about hotel services for your next tourist destination or your next vacation. These are some characteristics you should take into consideration for your next reservation in a hotel. My hotels, the best ones. First, a hotel near the beach. A hotel near the beach offers you a great view to the ocean and spectacular views to see the sunrise and sunset in the afternoon. This is the second characteristic, but I think the most important, because we all know that when people go somewhere to spend their vacation, they just want to feel like if they were home. And cleanliness is part of that thing that they want, that people who travel want to feel when they are away. They want to feel a hotel like if it were their home away from home. And cleanliness is really, really important. Here plays an important role at the moment to choose a hotel to spend a vacation. So as you can see, there are comfortable beds. There is a nice living room. The floor is clean. You just feel comfortable once you give your first step in one of those hotels. This is another characteristic of the hotel. Safety and security. There are cameras everywhere. Not to check what you're doing, but to check and to make sure that everything is going well. You can go everywhere with your kids. They can play on the lawn, they can play on the free fields, and nothing is going to happen because there are guards everywhere. And this is the last characteristic, or yes, these are the last characteristics, but very important too. Attentive phone answering and local attractions. Anytime you want to ask for a service, it may be food or whatever you want to ask for, just call and we will answer you on time. Before the phone rings 3 times, we will answer you. And local attractions. There are plenty of local attractions that you can enjoy with your kids, with your young sons and daughters, with everyone in your family. It is guaranteed that you will have fun with your family and that you will enjoy a lot. As you can see that we have aquariums. You can see the kids happy, enjoying what they are doing in those hotels. So don't hesitate and contact us. Our phone number is 301 786 2119. So don't hesitate and call us. We will guarantee you that you will stay, that you will feel like if you were home. See you next time. Bye bye.